Hey everyone, XUBD here with another Dashcam review. Today I'll be looking at the BlackVue DR550GW-2CH. This model is BlackVue's first dedicated 2-channel Dashcam system, and I have heard a lot of great things about it, so I wanted to see for myself how it really is. So let's open it up. Just got the box. Alright, here we go. It's packaged really nicely and it's got the cameras inside. Let's open it up. So we got both dash cams. The front-facing one, which looks almost identical. It does look identical to a DR500. And the bottom one, the rear-facing one, it's a lot smaller. But it should also record in HD, as it says on here. So, looking at the first camera, I would say it's pretty much a DR500, except with an extra plug right here connecting the rear camera. But nevertheless, it's a nice camera. And the rear facing camera. Got the AV out cable to connect it to the front camera. Ventilation, and yeah, it's a nice little camera all in all. Looking at the accessory package, we've got user manual, car charger cable. We have a really long AV cable. This is for connecting the front camera to the rear one. And of course the usual clips and sticky pads for mounting the camera and the wires. And you have a micro SD card reader which you can connect to the computer. So I'll be testing out this camera and seeing how it is. And of course, like always, I will be doing a review of the camera at the end of this video, so make sure to watch that. Alright, hope you were able to make it through all of that. Sorry for the test footages being so long, but I wanted you to have a good idea of what the front and rear facing camera was like, so that's why I put two separate clips instead of putting them into one. So this camera, personally I really like it. It's a dedicated 2-channel system. I had a 2-channel system before, but it wasn't dedicated, so every time I needed a clip from the rear cam, I had to go to the rear camera, take out the SD card, which was a hassle because I had a convertible, so getting into the rear seats were like impossible. So yeah, this camera's good because I can access all the clips through one SD card at the front of the camera. So I don't have to ever go to the back to retrieve the SD card because everything is stored in the front SD card. The only downside about this camera is the audio quality, from what I noticed. If I play my music too loud, the audio gets it's not very clear and you can't really hear everything exactly. But apart from that, the video quality, as always, BlackVue is always amazing. Even with nighttime and the rear facing camera, I think the quality is pretty good for all of them. So yeah, if you're interested in this camera, check out the links below. Remember to use my $10 discount code, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment.